नमस्ते ऑल ऑफ यू।
नमस्ते।
आज हमारे साथ शिखा जी हैं और शिखा जी वास्तु का एक टॉपिक लेकर के हमारे साथ में है। बहुत ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाता हुआ मैं कहूँगा, शिखा जी आप प्लीज स्टार्ट कीजिए आपका जो टॉपिक है।
Good evening, everybody. Today I have brought a very small topic in Vastu. It's how are the Pancha Mahabhutas actually formed in the universe. This session is given by, it is written in the book of Ganpati ji. He was a very great architect and he did too much research into Vastu. He basically worked on the Ayadi calculations. So without wasting any time, just let us see how did he give the explanation of the Panch Mahabhutas that came into life. Basically, in his book, Antharaman, he is saying that there was a single dot in the universe, there was space and time, and two kinds of ohms. One was ohm light. It is because of this light, the things around us are visible. Everyone knows that, right? Because light है तो हमको सब चीजें दिखाई देती है यूनिवर्स में. So ये light, space और time, all three came together and formed the fourth, that is Om sound. All the people know that everything on the universe is created by the sound, the vibration of the sound. So how did this vibration start? It started only with a small dot. This dot started vibrating like this and it formed a line. Okay. This vibration of the sound, one was horizontal, and again a lot of vibration was created and a vertical vibration was also created. So these two vibrations coming together, they form a perfect swastik. That is why the symbol of swastik is so very important. It is nothing but the vibration. And if you go deeply, one day, if I get time, I will explain the meaning of swastik. How important it is, why do we use this much, so much of swastiks in Vastu? What are the reasons? Everything is there in this symbol. When this symbol of swastik, it started rotating and revolving very fast, very fast. So now it is a four-sided figure, that is a square or a rectangle. But when it started vibration and vibrating, the swastik itself started vibrating, then imagine from a one swastik, it became two swastiks and an octagon was born. This is all happening just because of vibration of one dot. How are the elements formed in nature? When this was formed, a double swastik coming together, we got our 2 by 2 ka square that is used in Vastu. The four elements. This is the first basic division that we study in Vastu. From this square of 2 by 2, again, if you come over here, this square and a swastik. So this went on happening. More squares were added. When this vibration still continued with one square and one swastik, then became the 4 by 4 ka square. From 2 by 2, it became 4 by 4. And the element air came into being. Again, when this vibration went on, it formed fire. The element fire. After the fire, the water element was formed. Okay? And when this vibration still went on continuing, then after the 4x4, then water, air, water, fire made. The last element that was made was Prithvi Tattva, the earth element, the heaviest of the elements. In this whole formation of the universe,
मतलब ये हुआ कि स्टार्टिंग जो है आपका डॉट से हो गया, टाइम एंड स्पेस जो है वो हमारे पास था शुरू से, और लाइट
टाइम एंड स्पेस युगों युगांतर से हमारे पास ऑलरेडी है, ऑलरेडी है। तो
एंड द वाइब्रेशंस जो है, बेसिकली जो वाइब्रेशंस है, साउंड वाइब्रेशंस है, दे वर कन्वर्ट इनटू आवर स्वास्तिक।
यस,
स्वास्तिक बेसिकली हम लोग जो स्वास्तिक लगाते हैं उसमें पांचों जो तत्व है उनको हम लोग बैलेंस करने के लिए लगाते हैं स्वास्तिक हमेशा।
हाँ, बैलेंस इन द सेंस कहीं भी कट है तो हम लोग स्वास्तिक यूज कर सकते हैं वहां पे बैलेंसिंग करने के लिए। ऑल्सो ये स्वास्तिक के बहुत छोटे से कॉपर के स्वास्तिक्स मिलते हैं जो कि आप मतलब 2x2 इंच का है, 4x4 इंच, 6x6 इंच। This you can also keep it in your purse, your personal space, or suppose a northwest is cut, I put a swastik over there. So काफी सारे, like it is always not necessary to do very big remedies in Vastu. I to believe in no demolition in Vastu. We don't demolish anything, we just do remedies. And for remedies, we use very simple things, pyramids, swastik, gems, dhatus, all which are produced by the earth. And what we are doing, if we have to do a remedy, we are giving back these things to the earth.
तो हम लोग जो स्वास्तिक लगाते हैं रोली और मोली से, हम लोग जो कलर से लगाते हैं, तो वो भी वर्क करेगा ना इस चीज में, या पर्टिकुलरली 2x2 का या जो आप बता रहे हैं?
Every day you make a swastik on your main door, or at least make it once a month, like every new moon day. That is what my parents used to follow. So I also try to follow that. But whenever we draw a swastik and we write Shubh Labh, it indicates the whole family of Ganesha together. So instead of putting an idol of Ganesha outside my door, I would rather prefer these symbols on the door. Because I don't like to put gods outside my door as door cards. No, they are not. There is a system, if you want to put a Ganesha, then there is a system of putting it. Just putting one Ganesha on the top, no, it is not that. So instead of using these deities outside my door, I will just put auspicious symbols on my door, which will attract all the auspiciousness.
तो फर्स्ट हमारा जो एलिमेंट बना, दैट इज एयर एलिमेंट।
एयर एलिमेंट,
है ना? सेकंड एलिमेंट जो आपका बनता है वो दैट इज वाटर।
नो,
थर्ड एलिमेंट,
fire. After air, fire was made.
Okay.
And water. Then the last element that was made was earth element.
Earth element.
The Akash element is already there, from which all these elements have come. That is a space. Space is the Akash.
Space is Akash, right.
And the vibrations time coming together, they both created 2 ohms. That's why the Om letter itself is also very, very auspicious and important. In the Guru Granth Sahib, Om is given the most important. Ek Omkar, only one Sat. That is the reality of this thing. To understand this, you have to go deep and learn the Guru Bani and everything. So, from 4, 6 was created. From 6, 8 is created. And this 8 is known as a Manduk. This thing. 8 grid. From 8, we come to 9, which has all the elements, all the 5 elements, the Pancha Mahabhutas. And we work on the 9x9 grid for our homes and for our commercial properties. The 8x8 grid, the 6 that is 64 wala grid, is used to design gram panchayats, villages, towns. That planning is done on the grid of 8x8. 9 by 9 is for our homes and our commercial properties, that is whatever the humans use. And 10 by 10 is used for creation of temples. So just where people, those who take, okay, we don't believe in Vastu and everything, they can just go and read these classical books where the formation of everything is given to you. Okay, thank you, sir. I hope people have understood this.
मैं भी एक्चुअली समझने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ अभी। मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ कि पंच महाभूतास जो है हमारे पास आकाश तत्व जो है पहले से है, उसके बाद में आकाश तत्व और लाइट और जो है मिल करके और जो साउंड वाइब्रेशन से मिल करके उसने पंच महाभूतास जो है कंप्लीट किए। फिर हम लोग यहाँ पर जो हमारा लास्ट जो हमारा पॉइंट था दैट इज 8 by 8 का या 9 by 9 का, दैट इज जो स्क्वायर है बेसिकली हम लोग यूज कर रहे हैं। तो ये 8 by 8 और 9 by 9 का जो स्क्वायर थोड़ा सा मुझे और समझाइएगा। एक आपने बताया कि 10 by 10 that is used in temple, 9 by 9 used in home, and 8 by 8 used in ग्राम पंचायत।
मतलब जब भी हम लोग टाउन प्लानिंग करते हैं, जैसे अगर the people those who are in the government, they want to plan any town कि उनका यहाँ पे कमर्शियल प्रॉपर्टीज आएगी, यहाँ पे गवर्नमेंट का कुछ होगा, गवर्नमेंट बिल्डिंग होगी, यहाँ पे स्कूल होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे होम्स होने चाहिए। द टाउन प्लानिंग, they use the 8 by 8 का grid. They used to use that in the olden times. Now though it is not used. So learning
8 by 8 का ग्रिड से मतलब थोड़ा सा मुझे और समझाइएगा। 8 by 8 ग्रिड से हमारा बेसिक मतलब क्या है? मतलब 8 by 8 ग्रिड जो है वो किस तरीके से स्क्वायर शेप्स के अंदर है या किस तरीके से?
yes, yes. 1 minute. See sir, can you see over here?
हाँ जी।
This is the 8 by 8 grid. So we generally, those who are doing Vastu, don't go into town planning and everything. We don't learn all those things, but we know that this 8 by 8 grid, 8 by 8 is take the length of your anything, whatever is your length, divide it into 8 equal parts.
Okay.
Take the breadth and divide it into 8 equal parts. Okay, so like this. So it forms a 64
squares हो जाएंगे, right?
64 equal squares, just like a chessboard.
Yes. Now I got it.
Okay, that is called as an 8 by 8 square. And we are using 9 by 9.
घर में हमारा 9 by 9 होना चाहिए।
हाँ, तो उसमें लेंथ को 9 से डिवाइड करो, ब्रेथ को 9 से डिवाइड करो। That is generally what we are using for those for our homes, villas, bungalows, commercial places, malls, whatever we are using, like personal designing, we use 9 by 9.
Thank you so much. Ab I got it. What is 8 by 8? What is 9 by 9?
Okay. I'm so sorry. I thought, yeah. So just because I'm very used to this, I thought everyone will know this.
हाँ, इसीलिए तो लोगों को भी पता लगना चाहिए ना कि हम किस चीज की बात कर रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल। And 10 by 10, that is the length and breadth divided. That is used only for temple.
For temple.
Vastu. There are some very famous Vastu people, those who only work on temples, how to construct temples, where should the garba be, where should परिक्रमा के लिए कितना स्पेस होना चाहिए, मेन आइडल के लिए क्या स्पेस होना चाहिए, the length of the idol, everything is done in that. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, viewers. I hope you like this session. I'll try to put more sessions as and when we get time.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.
Yes.